Okay, so here's a video. I don't know how long it's going to take. I'll probably fast forward a lot of it. What I got is a bottom of a blender. This is the part that receives the actual blender unit, and the center of it basically got burned out. And I've cleaned it all out. I've removed the little threaded piece that goes on there, and everything I read said that JB Weld should do it. Um, I'm looking at the magnifying glass, and it's got a little bit of a of a I don't know, space inside that center. So I'm gonna try and put some in there, and then okay, 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours is what I'm gonna leave it at. And we'll see what happens. This didn't work. Thought I could shoot it in there. Okay, here we go. 48 hours later, um, you can see the JB Weld has dried up. I sort of tested it with probing it. Feels pretty hard. So I did see red color inside the thread. So I'm going to assume that they used a thread lock. So that's what I'm going to put on here, and we'll see what how it works. All I'm doing on this segment of the show is installing this, and then I'll give it a little bit for the thread lock to dry. Then I'll give it a test run. Well, we'll figure it out. First test, all right? Got it on there. I don't know if you can see, but it is wobbling just a bit, like it's not flat on there, but we'll see what happens. Obviously, the thing's been disconnected from the cooler. Put the battery in. Battery test okay. All right. Now, this doesn't come on unless there is a unit on there. So let's see what happens. Okay. It spins, and I can feel the movement of it. So now let's try it. Okay. Definitely can feel the movement, but hey, it crushed it. Put some more water in here. Basically gonna make slushy. Okay. Seems to have worked. Now, we'll just see if it lasts. Okay, thanks.